to update any Samsung TV's firmware by USB cable. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the procedure on how can you update Samsung TV's firmware by USB cable. For that, you'll need to download the firmware file from a Samsung support website and save it to your USB drive and then connect the drive to your TV. Then what you have to do is after which you want to insert the USB drive into one of the TV's USB port and go to TV settings and navigate to support or software update. The TV should detect an update on a USB drive and offer to install it as well. And once you've actually done so, click on the update now button, and moving on, you will then be able to see that it's going to take a while, so you just make sure to be patient enough, make sure not to disrupt or make sure not to turn it off or power cycle as well until it is completed to 100%. Then click on the save button or maybe click on the yes button, and after which you'll have successfully made it so. So this is how you could go and update any Samsung TV's firmware by USB cable. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.